Quiz 507. I'm ready this time. I see it down there. So here we go. Let's start with this one. That's fine. Let's translate this. Let's translate this word phrase into a math expression. 12 more than a number. What number? They didn't tell us what number. That's okay, because we are moving on. I did it again. I thought I clicked it. Two variables. So whenever it says a number, stick a variable in there. So I don't know what this one actually says, but 12 more than, 12 plus than a number. I usually default to X. I usually use X, Y, and Z. Sometimes I use N. Sometimes I'll use whatever the letter is. Like if it says I have 10 cups of water, right? 10 cups of water. I don't know. Okay, anyway, that's it. So whenever you see a number, you know it's a variable. 12 more than, that's like those word problems, like if Johnny has 10 and his friend has 12 more than him, how many does his friend have, right? That'd be 12 plus 10. So that's how that phrase goes, 12 more than a number. Could also be X plus 12. But that's the idea that we're representing. It's 12 more than a number, some variable. Okay, perfect. What does this one say? This says, translate this phrase into a math expression. See, I told you math, language. We're learning the language of math. 12 more than, another 12 more than the quotient. Oh, remember some of the things you can do? 12 more than the quotient, which I know means division, of 6 divided by 3. So the quotient of means parentheses. So 12 more than the quotient of 6 divided by 3. So it could be like that, or it could be, which we should be talking about the commutative property of addition, meaning order doesn't matter. See how it's 12 plus 6 divided by 3 or 6 divided by 3 plus 12, but we just switched them. Anyway, so it's 12 more than, so we know it's going to be plus 12. The quotient of, which means it's parentheses, 6 divided by 3. 12 more than, yeah, perfect. There you go. It says that makes sense. Yeah, I think about them too. I have to. Here we go. So Michelle has X dollars. Tony has 9 fewer dollars than Michelle. Perfect. So she has X dollars. We don't know. But we know that Tony has 9 fewer dollars. So Tony has X minus 9. He has 9 less. 9 fewer. Remember? 9 fewer. This is 9 fewer than Michelle. Michelle has X. So drag and drop the expressions to represent the total amount of money that Michelle and Tony have together. So they're adding Michelle's money, which is X, and then Tony's money, which is X minus 9. There you go. Okay, so which description, this is a good one, which description represents the expression 3 times X plus 4? 4 less than 3 times the number. Well, we know that this means subtraction. 4 divided by the product, no, there's no division. The sum of 3 times a number and 4. Sum means addition, okay, that could be one. 4 added to 3 plus a number. Okay, this one is 4 added to 3 plus a number X. So we need times, 3 times a number. This 3x means 3 times the number. So this is the right one. That's how we would read it. And that plus is the sum. Good job. 21 seconds. Here we go. 19, 18. All right. So which statement is modeled by this expression? So these are kind of hard to think about. The librarian had 150 books to be placed on shelves with an equal number of books on each shelf. If K is the number of shelves, then that would be on each shelf. Just try to read them, try to make them make